So the toilets, baby changing area, and smoking area are all to the left-hand side of the duty-free as you come out. That's cool. That ATM does euros, pounds, and dollars. There are more toilets at gates 54, 55, and if you go downstairs, there's another smoking area. Last set of toilets over here is at gate 67. They do have another dining area at the end. Now, if you do not have time before your flight, like an hour or so before you start boarding, I'd probably just keep it fast. We sat at the table, our food came to us in like 5 minutes, and then after 45 minutes of waiting for our bill, because nobody would come by, I finally got up to walk around before our flight. So he's still over there last I checked when I walked on by. So I'd be careful, because here in Paris, you're quick to get the food and it takes forever to get the check. That's very helpful, because they had us coming out of gate D50. That's just D52. Well, if you have any questions about Charles de Gaulle Airport, let me know and I will do my best to answer them. So as you can see, there is a plethora of snack options. Anything you can think of in the Eiffel Tower, they've got it. They've got drinks, souvenirs, hygiene items, anything you probably need or don't need is right there. Now, when you come to Charles de Gaulle and you go down to baggage claim, it's a pretty easy process. You go through customs, then they have the electronic customs, so you can go scan your passport, go pick up your bags. You don't have anything to declare, you can go right through after you get your bags. When you come in, you want to go to the right. That's where the taxis or like the predetermined shuttles and rideshare apps go to. They actually have footsteps on the ground. You can just follow them through. Eventually, they break off. Taxis are one way, and then rideshare another. When we got here, we were standing right at the end of where the footsteps were, and our Uber driver couldn't find us. So eventually he got to a place close enough and we walked to them, but we didn't even see any other ride shares there, even though it said the ride share location was like right there. There was a lot of the prepaid shuttles were there as well. But other than that, that's the only mishap we've had here. This airport runs really smooth. We came right through security. They've got a lot of bastions set up or whatever they're called. But we went right through security. It was about every fourth or fifth bag got pulled out to be wanded for explosives. He usually got tagged again. But other than that, it was a really smooth operation. Well, it appears that they don't announce gate changes here at this airport. So we're supposed to be boarding in about 10 minutes. Still haven't heard anything, seen anything. Plane's not here. Got to the board. They moved us 6 gates without announcing us, and even on the app, it still shows the wrong gate. So just stay cognizant of your time, and if the airplane's there or not, and then double check with the board.